Oh, hi everyone. Welcome to Friday Markets. Let's see what's going on in the world. Air, pro- Air products did a little gap and go that didn't go on daily. Well, that was a gap within the range, so maybe that's why it didn't go. Throws this volume at us. Um, yeah, something like this. Tries to decide what it wants to do with its life. Never mind this volume. It's the first day of the month, so later in the day we'll do a long overview of the entire stock market. We'll see how levels changed. But yeah, mm, it's in a long trend. It closed below, even though it protected this level with this crazy two-bar upthrust. Last volume today, never mind. So like, obviously the biggest volume, big volume, significant volume. Not bigger than this though. Yeah, that's still right. This tells a little alarming, but once again, our bar will never stop. This is a test. Is it the opening, and then boom, grinds higher? Yeah, tries to decide what it wants to do. Um, Nothing alarming on daily. It has to correct somewhere. If it goes to this level, even in this hourly zone, we'll be looking at it at point 0.5. Comcast, boom, corrected as it should. You don't expect market just to grow endlessly, right? It has to correct a little violently. Now it's in this little balance. It's not a bad buy for a daily trade. It was definitely good here, but I slept. It was a good buy here. Probably didn't show nothing on 5 minutes because of how violent this movement was. Just because of how violent. And that was the end of the day, right? Yes. Yeah, you see, nothing to play with. Just went down, boom, and one bar, and then get out of it. Comcast is okay. It's good. HSBC, once again, it should correct in point 0.5. That's exactly why we had a take profit set at point 0.5. Yeah, yeah, all the markets are like look alike, kind of. First day of the month, some volumes again. This volume is like more technical. Last hour of last day of the month, first hour of the first day of the month. Yeah, and happy leap day, everyone uh, who wasn't here today. Whoa. Our Pepsi though, technically it closed below. That's our excuse not to trade it here on daily. So now it broke, closed below the ice, the support level of this balance. On daily it's still in point 0.5. This was great. Bounce from point 0.5, but here it didn't get the momentum. It accumulated. It was in point 0.5. We had There was no signal on daily though. Yeah, so you see it like everything was by the book here. Accumulation in point 0.5, then resumption of the move. But boom, it didn't even go to, didn't have enough of juice to run into resistance level of this balance. Trend down. It did go if if you see this as a multiple bar manipulation, so you can like continue seeing it like this. You don't I don't charge it like this because I would not be trading from this level whatsoever. But never went above this. Now once it's down here, you can see it like this. So and this volume comes in also, and we are below this volume now. You gotta be really careful. Still looks good for a buy. Uh, if it comes here, no volume for now whatsoever. But if there is volume on this manipulation signal, and we'll need to wait for uh, a test, retest. Um, yeah, thank you, Trading View. And those for dividends also make sense. Dividends last day of the month. It does this thing on daily. Never mind this volume. Yeah, it needs to decide what it wants to do now, and we'll be just. Oh no, sorry. Um, and we'll be waiting for it to do so. Yeah, that's Pepsi. Let's Pepsi decide what it wants to do. What else do we have here? The boom. Hmm. Yeah, same deal. Close below. So now technically it's continuation of the main movement. The reason we are looking at the stock is because it's in point 0.5. What's the biggest volume here? Yeah, it's here. Yeah, it's below its biggest volume. You see this? The biggest volume of this long trend is here, and we are below this volume. So this volume will be in our face one day. Hmm. Not crucial, but but it's important. Say happened here. We had this volume, and then it went here. Oh, and you see this corresponds to this volume. Yeah, yeah. All looks bearish. Oh, this volume though. Look at this volume. It's not the biggest volume of the entire trend, but it's one of the biggest volume of the entire trend, and one of the biggest volumes of biggest volume of this short impulse, and one of the biggest volumes of the entire correction short correction, which is in point 0.5 right now. Well, so you can even see it like this because it's like went here only for by 2 ticks. So yeah, it's rather like here. And you see how it was the biggest volume, so it was also a test level. See how it plays by the book. Market moves almost by book here. And it was it point 0.5? I don't think it was. No, it was like a little, yeah. See, it went to point 0.5, the biggest volume, just bounced up here. Um, looks attractive for just a buy of this level. I would expect some bounce here, but technically we need to close it as spring test, resumption of buy, and then we can buy on hourly to. Yeah, it looks kind of cool on hourly too. Right down below here. That's how it played out. One would expect it to bounce. It's our Dr. Pepper. Coincidence of the hourly and daily levels. So technically it closed below. It's kind of short, so it's gap with retest. This volume though, look at this. Yeah, guys, I think it's a buy on hour. Ooh, ooh. Uh huh. Do you see what I see? This is not systematic, but I think it's the biggest volume on hourly of the entire of the entire of the entire short impulse. Tell me it's not great. Yeah, guys, I think it's our trade of the day right here. It did broke down, but not that bad. Z Z bad, not that bad. Sorry, didn't make my vocal warm ups. We're not in theater, so it's gonna be Z. So yeah, it did broke below, but yeah, and here was the enter point. Look at this. Well, it did crawl up a little bit. Didn't give us a clear entry point. No, it did not. But again, look on the minutes. Look on the minutes. Um, yeah, guys, I think it's a buy. It's a good buy. I think I'll do it. Test it, retest it. I think I'll do this buy. Can't even see this far. It's bigger than this volume, but it's okay. How far can the minutes? Yeah, as far as it can go. Only two volumes. Let's stop it here. So pretty much one of the biggest volumes up to there, up to this volume level. All tested. Yeah, it's a good trade. It doesn't show as a signal here on minutes. Once I see a trade, my palms start sweating. 0.28, 0.20. Oh, it didn't go below here, so Yeah, like this. It's in point 0.5. Returns here. Yeah, guys, you know what? I think it's a good buy. Smaller volume. It bounced. Yeah, we gotta buy before it goes without us. Yeah, I'm buying this guy. At least here. At least here. Yeah, I'm gonna crunch in the numbers. I'm doing it. Our stop level. KDP. Here I come, Dr. Pepper. Uh, will sponsor a food poisoning company. Not food poisoning, what the right English term I'm thinking about. Uh, okay, it's 29.17 right now, 29.17. And here we're gonna put it. Step, okay, we are in. Let's set our exit plans. Same deal. Same deal. So our entry was 29.17. 29.17. First March. Oh, I'm in the wrong. Till 1st of March. Oops. 1st of March. Oh, that's how it works. Yeah, and it's a swing trade. Swing. Swing on Dr. Pepper. Let's start describing it. Um, let's start describing it. Uh-oh. Not you. But yeah, let's start describing it. Oh, by the way, it um, entry is 2917 and 29168 even 291,688. It's 1253. 1253. Well, everyone on the street is at the dinner. Aha, everyone is back from the dinner, and Mishka already made his move. Yeah, the more I see it, the more I like it. So, this is our virtual stop. Uh, 1 to 2 target. Yeah, 36.72. Mm-hmm. Mm. So, what we see on the monthly is mm, it's a counter trend rate 8 F. Um, what do we see here? Short impulse, which is not in our favor. Plus, we see biggest volume, biggest volume 2 bar spring plus. Uh-oh, we don't see weak test though. The wrong test we see. Hey, Budlal, merci pour les information. I assume it's French, and I assume you're grateful for the information. Yeah, man, anytime, or human, friend. Thank you for writing me. Uh, Vadlal, if you have any questions about any stocks, ask me. I'll be glad to answer. Uh, just do it in any English, can be broken English, or just the ticket and mm, what is your entry and stop loss, take profit, and date of entry if it's a current deal, or if it's a setup, right setup, and I'll take a look. And it's in point two correction, 0.5 correction of the entire. Mm, oh, actually, point two correction, short test below point two correction. Thank you for Harmsen. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome, Badlal. Badlal, I hope I pronounced it right. Anytime, man. Ask me anything. So that's what's going on monthly. Monthly doesn't look so good. There is no contextual direction of the trend, which is good. It's in continuation of this situation. So um, monthly kind of gives us controversial context 0.5, but correcting, maybe resumption of main movement. Um, but yeah, it's on monthly. That's the situation. Trend. There is spring. Mm, copy link. Yeah, if you have any questions about any stocks, I'll be glad to answer. Ask me and I'll be glad to answer. On daily, it's kind of also uh, counter trend trade 8R. Minutes we have short impulse plus, and it's also biggest volume. See this volume? It's the biggest volume. Yeah, it's worth marking it. Mm, uh, how far does this go? It's also one of the, but for this movement, it's a, yeah, it's a good volume. T1 short impulse, biggest untested volume T1, which is good. Biggest untested volume. We'll put manipulation because it didn't close below. It needs to close above. It needs to close the day in order for us to become, for this to become mm, a spring. I more so like the volume that we have here. Manipulation. That's what we see on. Oh, and support level, of course. Support level. That's our context on. That's our context on daily, and it's a trend on daily, and there is no. Yeah, Badlal. Tell me what's going on with you. I'm curious. How are you doing? Uh, Show me your setup. Show me your trades. Let's see and compare. And yeah, and we played it, but we played based off hourly. So I do an assumption that this break and close below this level is is okay for me. Once again, because of this volume, and even 5 minutes, even 5 minutes is good. Um, yeah, it's not a volume T1 on hourly. This is kind of not good for an aggressive trade. Aggressive, aggressive trend trade 8F. Um, Minus short trend, short balance. Minus unvolumed ice plus biggest volume spring minus test closed weak volume test closed below ice. Yeah, first bullish bar after close entry. Bullish bar close similar level entry. Calculated affordable stop loss 1 to 2 virtual. Once again, if it doesn't go my direction, I'll just put my take profit to break even. 1 to 2 risk to reward. risk to reward, take profit. So yeah, if it doesn't run my my direction, it's okay. I'll bring the break even uh, to I'll take my put my profit to take even in the spring. Okay, that's our trade. Um, let's publish it so that people can use it if they want to. Um, we'll do this. This is gonna be annoying again. Yeah. Um, I make some assumptions here. Assumption on monthly, because you sides and yeah, take profit before volume resistance zone and before creek before creek creek yeah creek um yeah, and you can sing this. This is annoying, the fact that you need to go and redo everything. So yeah, hours, and it's the biggest volume of the entire trend, short trend. And even 5 minutes looks good. So yeah, mm, boom, up, hours, and boom. This is how I see it. Um, this is how I see it. Um, let's publish it. Um, and that's a swing trade. Publish idea. Uh, it's KDP swing hourly daily long aggressive daily context daily context daily context monthly context. um yeah, that's all I have to say about this trend analysis, technical analysis, wave analysis. Long KDP, long long setup, waves, volume spread analysis, volume support and resistance zone, check, Nickel analysis. Yeah, I think that's about it. I don't have KDV. I'd never traded it. But yeah, that's our idea. Share on Twitter. Sure, let's log in. Mm, hey. Okay. Well, verify identity by entering username. Yeah, that's. Are you kidding me? Let me see. Yeah. Oh, did I change my login? Uh, no. HQLA. Maybe capitalization matters. I don't know. Yeah, that's my. Yeah, that's my username. Yeah, something is off. Something is off. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I know what's off probably. Yeah, my bad. Okay, posting this swing trade and mhm. What else can we do with it? Nothing. That's the trade. Um, so let's now set up our exit plan. So we're setting the notification. So we want to be buzzed in if by any chance it goes against us. If it goes against us, here's this. I'll put my take profit to break even. And there's really no space on this stock um, for we have this volume in our face. It's tested, but yeah, it's technically counter trend, so its potential is really like into here, not even So I purely traded based of the volume. Mm, it broke this level here. It's still in point 0.5. It can easily go here, retest bounce. I just like the volume. Not on monthly. I don't like this like test volume, but on daily, it's all here. It's all down here. And hourly looks just beautiful. It just looks beautiful on hourly. So yeah, there is no potentiality for the swing to be and minutes also. Like look at the minutes. It's beautiful on minutes. Yeah, it should bumped out of here and went up, but I mean it looks good. It just looks good on hourly. And yeah, so I'll take my quickie like 1 to 2, risk to reward, and be done with it. Um, so it's a trade we run now, and let's see the rest. Mm-hmm. Comes here, it's tradable. Lockheed Martin. Mm-hmm. But now once again, contextual direction is here. After it gave this volume, but that's the last month. It should not. and it's in point 0.5 right now. You guys, it's in point 0.5 right now. Yeah, the problem here is a balance now, and you don't really see it like this. So contextual direction is to the eyes. It's the biggest volume of this correction though. Yeah, right here. And then reaction bar goes down. I think it's too much of a deviation from our trading system, but let's just put a notification here. We'll see how it interacts with this point 0.5. My teacher would not be happy to see me even like try to pick it up from here because its contextual direction is up to here. But we'll keep an eye on it. We'll just keep an eye. Nothing dramatic. It can bounce up here. Yeah. Well, it's yesterday close, but never mind yesterday close. And on minutes, of course. Even maybe of the minutes. Haha, you see? Minutes already did its move. There's no test for us whatsoever. Technically, this was a test, but like so high. But yeah, that was a minutes move. You see down, down, down. Then it accumulates here a little bit. Yeah, yeah. It already did its today's move on minutes. That was scary because this volume untested was in our face. But if you're brave and young, in your spirit, I don't mean your body. I'm not ageist, but if you're bold and young in your spirit, that was a trade of the day. Maybe there's no test. Why no test? Because it's just with this volume, it might not give you one. Don't see it in this. Hours this. Yeah, just a little quickie in the point 0.5. It went to point 0.5. Mm-hmm. Is this close of yesterday, today, little panic, sell off, boom, boom. There's no test. It would be scary with no test. But yeah, we wouldn't give another. We'll keep an eye. If Lockheed Martin comes here, I'll be considering. Pepsi, we already signed, set it up for keeping an eye on it on hourly. There is a lot going on in the market, but also like you gotta be like careful. It's for doom. This guy goes without us. That was an entry yesterday. How come we missed it with this volume? Oh my gosh. With this volume, I would. You remember I was hustling this stock? How come we missed it yesterday? I wasn't. I wasn't trading anyways, but yeah, they did exactly what we expected to do. And now it's gone. Bye bye. 2 bar spring. Oh, we wanted to wait for a test anyways. Maybe it will still gives us a test. Yeah, nothing here. Yeah, just skyrockets. Mm-hmm. No, just skyrockets. Boom, boom. Probably it's gone. Well, we'll keep an eye. This is a very nice setup in point 0.5. If it comes here for manipulation of this support level of a beginning long wave, looks very beautiful. It looks beautiful. This volume, the biggest volume of the wave, except for this, which is a T1, which is an oh, it's actually expanding. It's expanding. T2, expanding support of this long house. Could have been an accident though here, right? No, it's kind of. Oh, it's good. Wait, up? Yeah, yeah, yeah. There was a level here. So yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Comes here, it's a buy, but it needs to go there first. Oh, everything looks like a buy now, but that's exactly why you have to be careful about it. Beautiful volume. Oh, that's a case setup. Why do I look at it on? No, that's not my trade. Um, needs to go here. Uh, my monthlies. Wait, and how did I get all the purples? What is this? Oh, I confused it for. Sorry, I think I marked them for monthlies, or I don't know. I don't even know why they're marked. We'll be like, I'll be doing a big review. This is weird. Something. Did I mark it all for? Was I drunk? Oh, no, hold on. Oh, these are my hourlies. This is my dailies. Oh, these are my dailies. No, this is not for daily setup. Sorry, sorry, sorry. My bad. Yeah, those are my monthlies. And these are my dailies. Okay. Sorry, guys. My bad. Yeah, my monthlies. Yeah, goes higher. We'll work on the entire list today. Um, we have we have a level stop date. It's the beginning of the month, like this guy. It went. Verizon went higher. It's not a level anymore. This is our level. Yeah, beautiful movement. How the 45th president of the United States of America would say it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wonderful. No, I can't do his voice. I'm sorry. I can't do his impersonation. Need to work on it. Yeah, it's trying to break buff the level. Oh, Plug was trying to rebound. So look at Plug. Not bad. Doing its move. Roku is still trying to die. No, trying to cripple out. Okay, the rest we'll take a look later. So yeah, guys, we have this open for watch, and we have a new deal going on. Yeah, yeah, looks good. Looks good. Just keep on going. Um, that's all I've got for you for today. For now, I'll be back. I'll be back towards the end of the day, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. And we'll see how it goes. Okay. Uh, okay, let's see our Bitcoin. Yeah, it hangs out. It goes into the weekend into in this range. Uh, that is what it is after this violent movement, and really has to decide what it wants to do. Okay, you guys. See you later. Oh, I need to put in my. Thank you for reminding. I need to put my take profit for KDP. For KDP. Oh, come on. Why are you glitching on me? Why are you glitching on me? Gosh, you're annoying. You know that? Ah! Okay, it doesn't. It's acting weird. Something suppresses it. I don't know what. Uh, oh, interesting. Mm, okay. Annoying, annoying, annoying. Okay. My broker is kind of glitching. Um, no, it's in a glitch. Um, how do I fix that? Try another browser, maybe. Um, I'll let you go. I'll just set up the take profit here, and yeah,